Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful flipping chart card animation in Adobe After Effects. This type of animation is perfect for data visualization, UI design, presentations, dashboards, and explainer videos. At the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a clean and professional animated chart card that flips smoothly and reveals data in a modern style. Everyone teach vertical card flip animation. So today we learn horizontal card flip animation, like you see in the video. So please watch till the end. Let's get started first. Create full HD composition. 1920 by 1080. Now select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle without stroke. Then go to rectangle contents property. Then go rectangle path and unlink the size property value. Now change in value, like 800 and 500, and added some roundness like 50. Then pre-compose this layer for create different designs later in this project and name as main rectangle. Now open composition setting and change it, like 900 to 600 for fit the design. Then back to main composition and duplicate main rectangle, composition and drag and drop to main composition. Now open that duplicate composition and change in rectangle color, like gray. Go to main composition and create a rotation animation. For that, create a null layer and convert all layer into 3D. Then select main rectangle layer, open rotation property, and give Z rotation -1. 4. No collide to each other. Now parent both composition to null layer. Open rotation, property of null layer, and create a keyframe in x-axis. Then move forward around 2 seconds and give rotation value, like -180. Now select all the layer, a pre-composition all, and name as main comp. Now open main comp and go to composition setting and change it, like same as first 900 to 600. Now we are ready to flip animation. Go to main composition and create a new solid layer and name it as map and color is black. Now apply gradient ramp effect on the solid and change in the color points. Now hide the solid layer and go to effect panel and search time displacement effect for flip animation. Drag and drop that effect on main comp. Now, in time displacement effect, select map layer. And second was effect and mask. Then set map displacement 0.1 and time resolution is 1000. Now we see and flipping animation. This was take some for time for rendering. Now we added some information of the card based on your requirement. For example, go to main rectangle composition and drag and drop PNG image. Now select text tool and added some text. Now go to second main rectangle composition and edit text that was already right. Just copy and paste, adjust size, and align to the rectangle. Now go to main comp and see the animation. Now for give a better animation. First, go to main comp and back, rotation, keyframe to around 1 second. Then go to main composition and open position and scale property and keyframe. At 1 second, then back to beginning of animation and change in position and scale like 50. Now second 2 and change in scale like 130 second. 3 scale like 100. And also keyframe for position for remaining same. Now move to second 4 and change in position and scale again. Easy ease. All keyframe press F9 and adjust graphs. So our card flip animation was done. This animation is heavy, so needs some time for rendering. For learning this type of animation, please subscribe our channel and press the like button. Your one subscription is really big motivation for us. Thank you so much for watching this video.